Hey there, I got your message, and it looks like you're absolutely on the right track. You just had to go a little bit further. So I'm going to do just like you said right here with this 55 and write that as a 5 times 11. And what I'm trying to do is write this out in terms of the factors to make it easier to see what I can cancel. That's the goal. And so with this 11, I noticed that 55 is 5 times 11, and I'm going to be able to cancel those 11s in just a second. Oops, let me get that back to a pen. So we got 5 times 11, like you said. And then over here will be times 11. And then let me go ahead and do exactly what you said here and write that 4 as a 2 times a 2. And I'll show you an alternative version in just a second. And then this 12, we can also factor that down. And I think that's maybe where it got hung up a little bit for you. And so 12 is 4 times 3, which is also 2 times 2 times 3. So I'll go 2 times 2 times 3 right there. And now that I have this all factored down to primes, what that lets me do is cancel anything that is common top and bottom. So here, if I wrote this all out, I would have 11 over 11, and so that would be a 1, so I can cancel it. I would have a 2 over 2 right there, so I could cancel those, and I'd have another 2 over 2 right there, and I could cancel those. And then if you look at what's left, it's the 5/3. And so that means I got that as reduced as I can. Where you had the, I think you had 20, where'd it go? 20 over 12. So with that 20 over 12, if you notice, those are both even numbers, so you could reduce out at least a 2. An easy way of looking at that 20 over 12 would be to think of this as a 4 times 5, and to think of that 12 as a 4 times 3, and then you could cancel the 4's, and then there's the exact same 5/3. So you just have to be careful when you're reducing fractions. This answer isn't wrong, it's just not done all the way. And so when you think you're done, kind of look at your answer and go, wait, is there anything still common to the numerator and the denominator that I'm able to factor and then cancel out? Another way from the start here, and this is probably what I would have done, is 5 times 11, and then we had the 4 over here and the 11, and then that 12, because of this 4, I might have just thought of that as 4 times 3 for that 12, just because I'm spotting that, oh, there's some 4's in common. And so then again, 4 over 4 is 1, 11 over 11 is 1, and there's the same 5/3. So it's just be careful that you're all the way done, because you can do everything right, but still have one more step to go. Hopefully that helps, and holler if you have questions on that still.